So I just went to the thrift store and literally got this mound of stuff behind me for like $20. I seriously got like 10 things because it was half off day. Would recommend 10 out of 10 going on half off day, yes. Also this Victoria's Secret, $2. I think I'm gonna make just wearing BJ tops, especially like silky ones, just out and about because why not? I think I'm gonna wear it out today. Sorry everybody, I did not just wake up. So whenever I go to the thrift store, I absolutely love picking up things that I know that I can just quickly fix like right when I get home. Like, oh yes, I know, I'll fix this, and then I can wear it tomorrow and it'll be perfect. I love doing that because obviously you get to wear it so much quicker than a huge project. So I always look for pieces like that at the thrift store, and I got a few of them today and I want to share with you how I'm gonna fix them up. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Something's interesting. No, nothing. Cats. So first up is this shirt. I loved the, oh my god, Nori. This is what cats do. Like the moment you lay something down on the counter or ground, they come and lay on them. Okay, get up, get up, get up. Okay, first up is this shirt that I got. The gingham is adorable. It's red and white checked. Looks like a picnic on your body. I thought, ooh, you know what? I think only one pocket would be a lot cuter than two. And I think all I'm gonna do is just shorten the sleeves or just roll them up. You seem to me dead. So I think this is pretty cute just on its own, but I think that I could do a couple things to make it even cuter. With like remove the pocket and roll the sleeves up, maybe tack them off like on a couple of edges, and then maybe I'm going to seam rip the collar out. I don't know. Handy dandy seam ripper.
Lately I felt that you avoid my conversation. We don't talk no more.
See how this makes it so much cuter? Like it's without the pocket, it doesn't look like such an old lady top, and the sleeves rolled up, it's a bit more feminine. I think I want to leave the collar, I kind of like it, but I'm realizing that it is pretty big. So I think I might try and take it in just slightly from the inside, but still keep that like wide flare at the bottom. So how I'm planning on doing that is just taking the shirt inside out and taking in just right under the armpits and taking in a little bit and just making a little curve down to the bottom. So I'll probably take it in just a little bit more than that on each side, just making a straight stitch, and I'll probably serge that off. So next up, I got this massive denim dress. I immediately saw it and was like, ooh, a top, so easy, gonna do that right when I get home, and that's what I'm gonna do. But a tip for you guys for thrifting is if you see a ginormous piece of clothing, buy it, because you can make multiple things out of it. Like I wanted to make a top out of the top half and maybe make something more complicated with all the rest of this fabric. I would always, always, always recommend buying something that has a ton of fabric on it because it just saves you money. I knew this piece was perfect because it was already a V-neck, and that's really what my vision was for this denim top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold these inwards and then sew them and then serge them off the inside of the buttons. And then I'm gonna take it in after that from the side seams here and have it fit me around my bust, and then have it immediately go outwards and be super wide, and then I'll cut off the bottom. So with it inside out and ready to sew, I just have the buttons facing the buttonholes like this, and I'm just gonna sew right down here and then serge those off. Right? So easy. Like, how easy was it to just take in those 3 seams? The cool thing about this top is that 1, it's denim. That's awesome. But 2, I'm gonna have the bottom super frayed. And I think I'm gonna shorten it up. Just like cut a bit more off and then just go crazy on the edges. And also throwing it in the wash and then the dryer helps it to fray a lot. So I'm gonna do that as well. All right, so last I got these Levi jeans. Levi's. I am super stoked for this project. These are literally exactly what I was looking for. In order to take them in, I'm gonna take in 2 seams here all the way down to the bottom from the inside. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the back. But the back's gonna be a bit more tricky because I'm gonna have to unstitch the pocket and then I'll have to restitch the pockets back on, which really isn't gonna be that hard. First things first, I need to unstitch the pockets and also the little Levi tag here because I do want to keep that. And I'm going to be taking them in here, so I need to undo it so I can restitch it back on later. I also made sure to take off the 2 front belt loops so I can put them back on later. So once I have all the seams taken in front and back, I am going to go in here and cut them open just at the top, at the waistband, so that I can stitch them down flat. And then afterwards, I'll be able to stitch back on the belt loops that I took off just from the front, and I'll be able to put the pockets back on. Look how much denim thread I have left for the tag. I think it's gonna be just enough. Let's hope. Just enough. So there you have it. Those are my 3 super easy thrift store fixes and some of the methods that I use all the time when I just want to quickly fix something up. I hope you liked this style of video. If you did, let me know down below. I had a lot of fun making this one, so if you liked it, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you did. Yeah, hopefully I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.